In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save Google Sheets. If you've ever wondered how to keep a copy of your spreadsheet to share or print, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to export it as a PDF, which preserves your layout and is easy for anyone to open. First, open your web browser and go to Google Sheets. If you're prompted, sign into your Google account so you can access your files. From the home screen, you can start from a blank template or pick an existing file. For this demo, open an untitled spreadsheet or any sheet you want to save. You don't need to do anything special to prepare it for saving, but it helps to make sure your data, headers, and column widths look the way you want them to appear in the final document. Next, look to the top left corner of the screen and click on the File menu. This is where Google Sheets keeps all the options for managing your document. Even though Sheets automatically saves your changes to the cloud, the File menu is where you go when you want a copy on your computer. In the File menu, move to the Download option. This tells Google Sheets you want to create a local copy rather than just leaving it stored online. A small list of formats will appear. From that list, choose PDF. PDF is ideal when you want a clean, fixed layout that won't shift on different devices. After you select it, a preview window opens with export settings. In this preview, you'll see controls for page size, orientation, scaling, margins, and which sheets to include. You don't have to change anything, but take a quick look to confirm the pages break where you expect. If a table spills onto another page, a small scale adjustment can help fit it more neatly. When everything looks good, click the Export button. Now wait for the PDF to be completed. You'll see a progress indicator, and in a moment your browser will download the file. By default, it will land in your Downloads folder, unless you've set your browser to ask where to save each file. Once it finishes, open the PDF to double-check that the formatting, fonts, and page breaks match your expectations. That's it. You opened your spreadsheet, went to File, chose Download, selected PDF, clicked Export, and let the download complete. You now have a share-ready, printable version of your Google Sheets saved on your device. If you need other formats later, the same download menu includes options like Excel or CSV, but the steps are the same. Thanks for watching, and happy saving.